Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to show your Wi-Fi network password on Windows 11. First, open the command promote app and run it as an administrator. Type netsh and press enter. Then, type show profile and press enter. To show the password of your network, type show profile, then type your network name between two quotation marks, then type key equals clear, then press enter. The key content is your password. You can show another Wi-Fi network password in the same way.